to show you how to do an oil change on a 2006 Porsche Cayman S, the 987 body style. This is for the 3.4 liter. I am not sure if this works with the base model, so you'll have to check your application. This is a 3.8 liter, uses the same block as the 3.4. Before you do this, you need to get yourself some tools for this job. 3/8 inch ratchet, some extensions. You'll need an 8mm. I don't know if this is Allen or whatever you call it for the drain plug, which is right here. You need to get yourself a oil filter remover. And the oil filter is very easy to get at. The one nice thing about these cars is the drain plug and the filter are extremely easy to get at. You will need yourself some crush washers. Well, just ignore that. You'll need a crush washer, I should say. I bought a pack of them here. For the drain plug. You'll need an oil filter. This is a Molly oil filter. And you'll need a drain pan to catch all the oil. You will need 8 quarts of oil, 0W40. I have Mobil 1 synthetic per the factory, the European blend. First of all, what I do is not really as necessary in this car, but I've done it my whole life. And I like to loosen up the filter and the drain plug before I actually remove them. So I'm going to loosen this up. I didn't think this was torqued on all that tight, but oh my gosh. Alright. Loosen that bad boy up. Next. Put this back on. Loosen this up too. Okay. Alright, so both of them are loose now, and now I can proceed with draining out the oil. It's kind of stuck there. Hopefully it falls again, because that noise was really awesome when it did. Oh, also get yourself some paper towels. Normally I wouldn't use as much as I will today, but I don't really feel like getting my camera and my stand all full of gunk. Alright. So I got that. However, that's too full. Right, meow. Oh, crap, I hit my head on the light. So we will use this. How about that, huh? Where's the plug? Oh, there it is. That's already loose, so I just got done driving this. You should probably change your oil right after you get done driving, or let it warm up. You don't want to do it when it's cold. You want it to be warm, so all the contaminants that might be in there will come out. This is very hot. I can already tell. Ow. Ouch. Ow. Yo. Yep. And why is it doing that? Well, that sucked. Ugh. That really sucked. I don't know why I did that, but oh well, I'm sure everybody will have a good laugh at it. Oh my gosh, I hope this doesn't fall. That would suck. A face full of oil. So I don't know if you can see this or not. Here's the crush washer on the plug. This you're supposed to replace every time. I just don't trust this. It feels like it's going to tip, and the last thing I want to do is spill out 7 quarts and change of oil out of here. So what I think I'm going to do is Alright, just so you can see what happened here. Look at that freaking mess. That's right. Look at that mess. Man, oh man, this pan is still freaking hot. Damn it. Just can't forget that there. So once you get it loose enough, just unthread it like this. Slowly. Slowly. Don't make a mess. Don't do it again. Damn, this thing has like 1,000 threads. So this filter is just comes off like this. You will notice when you get your filter that there's a rubber ring in the filter box. On the filter housing here, you can see this ring here. It needs to be replaced. There's a little notch on the housing. I believe there's only one. So just take like a little screwdriver. It'd probably work best with a pick, and then just pry it off. Take your time. It's not a race. There it is. What I do is I grab a new ring. I feel like I can smash my head. Grab the new ring. And I just coat the ring a little bit in oil. Just get that nice and oiled up. And then you can see where the gap is right there. Just put that on. There we go. So just roll the ring down until it locks into this little groove towards the bottom of the filter. Just make sure that it's even. Looks good to me. Suppose I should grab the filter, huh? That'd probably help. Filter can go on anyway. I read about it when I first bought it, like, which side goes in there? Doesn't matter. What you do is put the filter in. It's real easy, I can even tell right now. To cross thread this. Maybe I can just put it up there like this. Okay, I changed my mind. That's a better way to do it. Just jam it on there first. Then put this on. Start it by hand. And make sure that you're not cross-threading it. Okay, so I'm going to put this on to 18 and a half. All right. Come on, baby. Man, that oil's still dripping. All right, that is the oil filter. The drain plug goes to 37 pounds. 40, 38, what did I say? 37. 37. Here's the old crush washer, goodbye. New crush washer. Right on the filter plug. Drain plug. Screw that back in. Again, do it by hand. That click. Yes, it did. Give it a little tappy tap. Clean up around this area. Looks pretty good. Oh, my manual did get oil in it. Oh well. It's not a race. Ew! Alright. And that is how you do an oil change. The rest will be done up top. The next step is to add oil to your car. But I recommend before you do that is that you take the proper precautions in protecting your interior from the very real possibility that you will spill oil while adding it. As you can see, I use a big garbage bag, but you can use whatever method you would like. I recommend that you add 8 full quarts, start the car up, let it run, turn it off. Next, turn the key to on right before the car turns over so that you can get the oil check indicator in the dash going. And it should say that you have to wait about 30 minutes for the car to give you an accurate check. Just wait for it to do its thing and then add oil as necessary. And once you're done checking your oil to make sure that it's full, you will be good. I hope you learned how to change your oil in your Porsche Cayman S, and I hope you have a nice day. So long.